Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got a quick video on how to cut and install solid surface quartz for your horizontal installations, for niche sills, window sills, as well as a large bench top and a large pony wall. We picked up a 9-foot slab of quartz, which we're going to be cutting down. We will also show you how to polish edges to get a factory edge. We'll be cutting the sills for the niche on the beast right here. We brought this out over the IQ saw because we had about 20 hard porcelain mitered cuts. And although the IQ saw does miter great, it's more time consuming. The beast over here has a tilting head, which makes mitering much quicker of a process. But yeah, what we're going to do is use this beast for cutting the 2 niche sills. And then tomorrow, we're going to bring out the IQ saw. So here is the backsplash that came with our slab. We will use the backsplash for the sills of the niche. So we'll come in here. We'll set the IQ saw up tomorrow for the large pieces. Here's one large piece. We're going to use this, cut and fabricate and polish and install on top of the bench. I know a lot of you guys are going to talk about watershed and how the solid surface should have been installed first. We usually do that. Unfortunately, we had a problem sourcing a good match, so we're going to install after, but keep in mind, guys, these niches are 100% waterproof, and we are also going to pitch this sill heavily so that the water will drain into the shower pan. So we're going to install these right now. We will show you how to cut, fabricate, and polish the edge for our bench top, as well as having a proper pitch and slope into the shower. And we will also show you how to cut and install it for this pony wall cap, as well as the 2 sills for these 2 windows. Okay, let's get to work. And here we are, getting ready to cut, fabricate, and polish the bench top, the quartz. So over here, let's quickly install the large format tabletop for the IQ saw in order to cut that big, heavy piece of quartz. And of course, you lock this into place. Use this fence here. For the guide. Let's do it. Now, since nothing is square, we decided against using a measuring tape. We are simply going to make a template out of this cardboard, trace it onto the quartz, and make our cuts. Here we go. So we used this. This is an angle finder to find this angle as well as that angle. Make our marks with this onto the cardboard, trace it, and cut it with a utility knife. So there's our template. Trim this part off here and trace it. And there is our template. Now doing this makes your life a lot easier. We're going to use a grinder and an old diamond blade. We're going to cut it big to remove some of the weight to make this easier to bring upstairs and cut out clean and accurate on the IQ dry cut saw. Now with something this small, this piece, we're gonna simply freehand it on the extension table, slowly and carefully. Quick dry fit. It looks like that is tight enough for us. Now we have to bevel and polish this front end here so it looks factory, just like that. Now I got to give the IQ saw props. It's much easier to have a stationary table, acrylic, where you can slide your material through, your large format material. Very, very easy to cut. Quartz or solid surface with this setup right here. Dustless, large format table. Now it's time to finish it off and then move on to the windowsills. Knocking down this edge to get our bevel. Now it's time to polish, and then we simply apply some enrich and seal on this edge here. Applying our sealer. Finalizing the pony wall or knee wall cap. Now it's time to polish this out, bevel the edge, and seal it. Alright guys, so here's our little polishing setup. Super simple. Quartz, clamp. We've got a 3000 grit here. Spray a little water onto the edge, polish it out. Hit the corner here with our diamond pad to bevel that out. Very simple to do. Water. And we install. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video on how to fabricate and install quartz. Cutting, polishing, sealing, beveling. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you know anybody who might find this video useful, please share it quickly down there, and I'll see you on the next one.